Hello! Finally bought ink for printer from Amazon, and I never refilled. Never before. Let's see how's it gonna go. What is included? 2 black. This already open. 2 black. 100 milliliters. 1 cayenne. 100 magneta. 100. Ooh, hard to see. And yellow. Yeah, from looks it's like more red. From top it looks like more yellow. Weird. But I will gonna refill black, including 4 and 4 needles, and manual for HP, but I think it's just generic manual. Okay, let's put aside what we don't need. It's nothing to say, it's just bottle with ink. Let's see how good this brand is. I will try refill, and then I will gonna try print. Okay, this already open. First, let's see. Everywhere it says it should be under. Come on. Come on. What, they put super glue or what? Just in case, paper towel. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, I see holes. Yeah, but in all 3 holes? Okay, let's see manual. It says 4. There's a 4, but it's only 3. Okay. And I need 3.5 milliliters. Oh, needle. I hate those needles. Oh, this is... Yeah, this is not like for medical. Just in case. Okay, let's try. 3.5. Okay. Oi! Too deep, too deep, too deep, too deep. Okay, let's... Oi. Like always, I'm making mess. 3.5, nope. I want to overfill. Let's see. 4, oi! God. Maybe I should use gloves. I tried on my finger. 2 paper towels. And just not even a second, it's... Oi! Look at that. Instantly. Okay. Let's not waste the time. Oopsie. I feel like a doctor. Probably it's a doctor job. They have experience with this. And by the way, my printer says empty. No ink. That's it. Let's clean this mess. This was very simple. And I'm gonna write in the bottom price. I paid for this, I think 19 Canadian. Hey Google, 19 Canadian in US.
19 Canadian dollars is approximately 15 United States dollars and 27 cents.
I hope you could hear it. And hey Google, Hey Google, 19 Canadian in euros.
$19 is approximately 12 euros and 85 cents.
And for this, you should refill, if it's 3.5 milliliters, you should refill, I don't know, thousands papers. But if you buy cartridge for, I think, $30, and there's only 3.5 milliliters, yeah, huge price markup. Okay, I'm gonna go and try print, and let's see. First attempt, black, 0. I'm gonna try restart printer. I'll be back. Second attempt, 0. Third attempt, empty. It's getting very annoying. Okay, I'm not special, but there's something with this chip, and I need to find a way how to reset. I'll be back. I don't know, maybe an hour, maybe a day, maybe a week, maybe a year. I'm back. Next morning, I had really hard time to make cartridge work. And refill, you have to inject only in the middle hole, bigger hole. Not in all of them. Maybe that's a problem. I doubt it, but who knows? Maybe it was too dry, but it's printing, showing low level, but it's printing. This is 600 dpi and 300 dpi and 300 dpi printing option. This is from original ink. Let's compare with 300 dpi with original. I don't know if you can see difference, but this looks like just a little bit darker, a little bit. Let's compare with 600 dpi, because I remember how I printed this page. Even with 600 dpi on Samsung S20, you cannot see difference, but there is really kind of small difference. Original ink is black, but refill, it's black, but not black as much original. You would see difference only if you compare. Black is black. At least it's not gray. Okay, let's start from smallest. Google Doc. Okay, 600 dpi. You can read it. Hard, but yeah, you can read. With eyes, no, you cannot read it. It's too small. Let's focus. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 letter size. And you can easily read 3. On camera it's showing clearly. Then it goes 4, 5, 6. And by the way, it's in the first video, my hand showed really dry. When I watch video, it's showing really dry, but that's how I record Samsung S20. Samsung. Okay. Compare with 300 dpi. Let's fold. We can compare better. Let's see. Can we see difference? No difference at all. With big letters. Actually, you could see it, yes. Example S. Here, it's with 600 dpi. It's more smooth and more like rounded edges. It's smallest, let's see, smallest. Yes, you can see problem here with 600 dpi and 300 dpi. With 300 dpi, there's something support didn't print it. Few letters. With 600, it's printed, no problems. Okay, suggest, yes. But problem is in the printer, not in the ink. I had a really hard time to make it work. Maybe it was just too dry, completely dry. And I refill again, and it's not printing, no problem. Subscribe, and see you soon. Subscribe.